In this video, we are going to learn how to drag and drop something inside Kali Linux and how to drag and drop from something Kali Linux. So for example, if I try to drag VMware tools inside this, I am given a no signal here, no symbol. Same thing if I try to share my clipboard here. So if I copy this Kali org/download, I'll copy this and try to paste it inside Iceweasel, which is a browser inside Kali Linux, and I'll go paste and go. I cannot do anything because it has pasted something else. So the copy and paste does not overlap each other, and also we cannot drag and drop inside it. So in this video we are going to fix that by installing VMware tools. To begin with, go to VM and first of all cancel VMware tools installation, and then go ahead and install VMware tools. Here VMware tools will come here. I'll open this. Here 5 files should be there. I'll copy all of these to my desktop. So here all the 5 files are copied. So I'll extract this tar.gz file. I'll right click on it and extract here. So new folder has been created by the name of VMware tools distrib. I'll go inside it and I can see all of these files. So this is basically VMware tools. We need to install it. Now in Windows system, we usually install it by double clicking something, double clicking on a setup or something like that. In Kali Linux or some other Linux versions, as it is very secure, we'll have to use terminal for that. We just cannot double click these things. So I'll open the terminal, open in terminal. As you can see, it has opened the terminal in desktop VMware tool distrib. So to see all the files inside the folder, I'll do ls. So you can see all the files and folder inside it. So for example bin, doc, example, these are all folders, so they have come in blue. All the executables will come in green. Sometimes you might also see this in white. So to fix that, if you see this in white, just do a change mode. VMware install .pl, and here we'll just do a plus X. Plus X means we are giving it an executable permissions. I'll enter, and here it has now permissions to executable. So I'll just execute it by / again VMware install .pl. Press enter. Now it is asking me all of these files. For example, in which directory do you want to install binary files? Just press enter and keep everything in default. No need to change anything, just keep on pressing enter. Yes, it is initializing. Yes, 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 no, yes, yes. So just keep on pressing everything, yes or no. Keep everything to default. We don't need to change anything here. It will take a couple of more seconds, and it has installed successfully. So if I try to copy something from my desktop into VMware Kali, let's see if it works. So if I try to copy this, it still does not work because we haven't restarted our Kali Linux. So we need to restart our Kali Linux. I'll click on this power button here, and I'll click on restart here. Now it has restarted the option. I'll go ahead and Kali. Now it will restart Kali Linux. It will take a couple of seconds. I'll pause the video in the meantime. So it is almost open. Now it will ask me for a username and a password. So username will be root. Username will be root, and password the one you gave in setup. Same password. So it is logging in. Now if I try to drag and drop something inside it, it works. You can see that no signal is gone, so it will work now. VMware workstation is gone. Come here. Same thing. If we try to something outside, it still does not work. Reasons for that is because our mouse is stuck inside it if we go ahead and do it. So we'll need to fix this also. So it is started working now. I haven't made any changes. If I try to do the VMware Tools 64-bit, it will work now. So VMware Tools Upgrader 64. So I'll delete this and delete everything from the desktop because VMware Tools has been installed and we do not need it anymore. I'll move to trash. So by the way, the trash is located inside this files and trash. All the files have been here, came here. So I'll do empty because we don't need them. I'll empty the trash. It is starting emptying the trash. Now we need to update our system, update our Kali Linux. To begin our update, what we need to do is type apt space update. It is just like Windows update, but Kali will have to do it manually. So here you can see segmentation fault, which means the segmentation fault, which means that there is a problem with the website linking. So all the website update links are stored inside a file called sources.list. So we need to locate that file. I'll use locate function inside terminal and I'll try to find the file sources.list. So these are all sources.list file. What we need to do is open this etc/apt/sources.list file. I'll copy this and what I'll do is I'll cat it. Cat. So all the contents of sources.list have been pasted inside terminal for my viewing. As you can see, there are some links are missing here. So what we need to do is edit it. So for editing, we'll use a software called LeafPad. So I'll type LeafPad space and I'll paste the sources.list path here and now I'll press enter. Here it has the opened this window here. So we can make changes into sources.list here. So to begin our changes, what we must do is I'll minimize this. I'll need to get the links. So for that I'll go inside iceweasel. It will take a couple of seconds to open. Inside it I'm going to go inside Kali docs. Inside Kali docs there is our options to update source list. So these are source repository, Kali source.list repository. So I'll open this. You can see Kali rolling repository. So I'll copy this, copy and paste it in LeafPad. Here the name of that was Kali Linux rolling repository. I'll copy this and paste it here and put a hashtag here. I delete this file and delete this also. Also delete them also because they are not working. I'll save it and I'll add this Sana repository too because we might need them. Hashtag paste and I'll copy this right here. Press enter, copy, saved. Now I'll try to do apt update again. see it started working now. No segmentation fault is coming. So it will try to find all the updates that are left. So this is the first time we are doing the update. It will take at least 30 to 40 minutes. So I'll stop this right now. So to stop it, press Control and then C. You can see it has stopped after that. It is for cancelling any execution inside terminal. Control and C. So there are three updates we have to do. Update, apt update also, and apt upgrade, and apt distribution upgrade. If I press enter, all these three will work together now. I'll press enter and it has started downloading it. I'll pause the video here because it will take a long time to do it. So this is taking very long time to occur. So what I'll do is I'll stop this and just do apt upgrade. Here it will ask me, do you want to continue, and click on type Y and press enter, and we'll start the upgrading process. Also it will take a long time, so I'll stop this also and I'll start it and stop the video right here. When it asks you, do you want to continue, just press yes. Okay.